I'm going to give you my top 4 side hustles for this year, plus what I see emerging that can make you $500 to $1,000 per day. If you put in the effort, you're going to make far more than that, and many of these side hustles can use emerging technology to be more productive in your process. There are skills that you can develop for the long haul, so let's jump into these side hustles. First way, newsletters. I've never personally gotten into paid newsletters because it takes time to build, but I have friends that do, and YouTuber Ali Abdul has stated he makes $5,000.
Starting an email newsletter was one of the best decisions I've made in my life as a creator, and now every time I send an email, I make around $5,000.
You can use sites like Substack and Memberful to run your paid newsletter. Just make sure you are consistently providing value to your audience. Starting a newsletter only takes a few steps. First, find out what a newsletter is for and who it is for. This will help guide what goes into the newsletter and how it looks. If you already have an audience, you can ask them what they would like. 2. Gather information for the newsletter and put it in order. This can include articles, pictures, and other types of media that are relevant to the newsletter's purpose and audience. 3. Plan out the newsletter's layout and template. A program like Adobe, InDesign, or Canva can be used to do this. The layout should be pleasing to look at and easy to read. 4. Set up a newsletter to be sent regularly, and think about making a welcome email that is sent automatically to new subscribers. 5. Always look at data from metrics and feedback from subscribers to figure out how well the newsletter is doing and make any changes that are needed. Side note, if you don't have an audience yet, you can host a free newsletter and use affiliate marketing to make money from it that way. More on that later. Just make sure your content is balanced. You don't want to flood your newsletter subscribers with affiliate offers and no real value. You can use freemium models to get email signups. If you're liking this video, then subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. The second side hustle is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way for a business to promote their products or service through a network of people called affiliates, who are paid a commission for promoting the product or service of the business. I've been doing affiliate marketing for several years, and it's still one of my favorite ways to make semi-passive income. Amazon Associate is the easiest to sign up for and use. You can find almost anything on Amazon. Amazon has also come out with a new way for affiliates to earn money by posting review videos for products they already purchased and use. This is slow going, and you need multiple videos to see success with this, but it is a great opportunity. Third side hustle, Amazon ebook publishing. I've been publishing on Amazon for the last 10 years. It's my favorite because I love telling stories. My first love is fiction, but publishing non-fiction books will get you results sooner. So if there's a topic you know a lot about, write a book about it, or hire a ghostwriter to do it for you. Polish your book, get a nice cover that fits the marketplace, do some marketing, and see results come in. Side note on this, publishing low content is personally, I haven't had much success with it. In my opinion, you need a very large catalog to see any real success with it. Also, since they are so easy to create, I feel the market is flooded with low content books. However, if you want to start there to get a feel for how to use the KDP platform, then be my guest. The third side hustle is prompt engineering. Now, right before I filmed this video, I've actually found a website where you can sell your prompts. So, you can currently sell your prompts on a prompt base for $2 to $5. I've seen a few for $9. And that is a small amount, but it can add up quickly. I will put a link below to a website where you can learn this valuable skill, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a valuable skill to learn, but what I think is more valuable than just selling your prompts is using those prompts to make content, such as affiliate marketing content for your newsletter or your social media platforms. You can also use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write your nonfiction book. I believe AI is a tool that can make us more productive. If you want to know how to manage the extra money you're making, then watch this video next.